So if you want to remove a background using remove.bg in 2026, yeah, it's actually super quick. You can do it in just a few clicks without any editing skills. First, open remove.bg in your browser. You don't need to install anything. It works directly online. Now click Upload Image or just drag and drop your photo into the upload area. Next, wait a few seconds while the tool automatically detects the subject and removes the background for you. Once it's done, check the result. Most of the time it's already perfect, but you can zoom in and inspect edges if needed. If something looks off, click Edit to restore or erase parts of the image manually for better accuracy. Now click Download to save your image as a transparent PNG. This lets you use it anywhere without a background. If you want, you can also add a new background like a solid color or custom image right inside the editor. And that's it. Removing backgrounds with remove.bg is fast, simple, and perfect for everyday editing.